Hello, I'm Nischay from VideoDB. I'm pleased to announce our partnership with TwelveLabs, bringing their powerful Pegasus 1.2 model into VideoDB's real-time monitoring platform. Real-time video monitoring is complex and costly. Enterprises spend significant resources manually overseeing live streams, often missing critical events. What if you could automate surveillance with AI precision, receiving instant alerts the moment an important event occurs? That's exactly what VideoDB delivers, now enhanced by TwelveLabs Pegasus model. In this demo, I'll show you how easily you can set up an AI-powered monitoring system for flash flood detection using VideoDB and TwelveLabs. We will use this notebook demonstrating quick and easy setup. First, let's obtain the API key. Grab your VideoDB API key from console.videodb.io. That's the only initial step required. Step 1. Quickly install the VideoDB SDK. Step 2. Connect to your VideoDB account by entering your API key. Step 3. Attach RTSP stream. Link your live video stream using Connect RT Stream. Monitor multiple streams effortlessly. Stop or start streams anytime using simple commands. Let's have a look at the flash flood stream. Step 4. Real-time scene indexing. Create a real-time scene index to get periodic natural language summaries of your video stream. By setting model name to TwelveLabs Pegasus 1.2, you're harnessing Pegasus's powerful video comprehension capabilities. Manage your indexes dynamically with start-stop functionality. Step 5. Configure specific events. Let's enhance our monitoring. Define an event, such as detect sudden flash floods or water surges. Step 6. Set alerts with webhooks. Attach an alert to your event using a webhook URL, triggering Slack notifications, messages, or custom integrations. Alerts include a confidence score, explanation, and timestamps, providing immediate and actionable intelligence. And that's it. With a few simple steps, VideoDB combined with TwelveLabs Pegasus model provides real-time, AI-driven video monitoring and intelligent alerts. Monitoring doesn't have to be costly or labor-intensive. Set it up once and let the AI handle the rest. To learn more, visit us at videodb.io.